What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I Love You by Shiloh Dynasty. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song.
Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. You're using 3 different chords. I'll have the names of the chords and the diagram in the description below if you need it. Once you get done with the video, go check that out. Your first chord is going to be here. It's going to be X, 8, 10, 8, 9, 8. So you're skipping your low E, and you're just barring the 8th fret, putting your ring finger on the 10th fret on your D string. You're skipping your G string, it's being held down on the 8th fret by your index finger, and then throw your middle finger on the 9th fret of the B string, and then your E string, your high E string will be held down by your index finger on the 8th fret. Next chord is going to be 8, 10, 10, 8, 8, 8. You're just barring the entire 8th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the A string on your 10th fret, pinky finger on the D string on your 10th fret. Then from there, you're going 9, X, 10, 10, 9. That's index finger on the low E on your 9th fret, skip that A string, then you're going ring finger on the 10th fret on your D string, pinky finger on the 10th fret on your G string, and then middle finger on your B string on your 9th fret. Once you get the chords down, all you need after that is your strumming pattern. It's a simple down, up, 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 down, up throughout the entire song. It's on your first chord, you're doing the full down, up, 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 down, up. Then on your next chord, you're going down, up, and then switch up, up, down, up. So down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. And what I'm doing is in between the 2 up strums, I'm catching the strings with my hand to mute them. So it's down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. And I'm doing that in between, doing that for the entire song. Every single 2 up strums gets that little catch. So down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Up, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.